Hey, what's up YouTube? What's up Burritos? Welcome back to another countdown quickie where I give you a trending topic in a jiffy. Alright, so today I'm talking about that mess of a volcano that happened in St. Vincent and the Grenadines recently. So I heard about it on social media, is where you really hear things nowadays. And when I saw the images, I was just like, my heart goes out to every single one who lives near that volcano, because you know, imagine just to move and to be displaced, knowing that you're going to be losing like all of your possessions and possibly having to start from scratch. That in the middle of a pandemic at that, like, just to think about that. You already have a pandemic going on and you have to deal with this situation. It cannot be easy at this time. And so let me just read you a quick report. So it says the La Soufrière volcano erupted on St. Vincent on Friday for the first time in 42 years, sending more than a 2-mile high cloud of ash billowing above the Caribbean island, just hours after surrounding communities were ordered to evacuate. Low visibility caused by volcanic debris was hampering the effort to transport thousands of residents to safety, officials said. Satellite images and photos shared on social media showed a thick column rising from the 4,049-foot volcano, which began erupting at 8:41 a.m. You see how early it started? Plumes of brown ash and smoke drifted higher as they moved northeast, reaching at least 38,500 feet into the atmosphere, near the altitude at which many commercial aircraft fly. So at least you know how high the fumes reach. Residents started, posting videos online showing the debris falling like rain on parts of the island in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Now, later on, there was a smaller eruption around 3 p.m. Because once a volcano erupt, it not won't just be the one eruption. There are going to be like several others that will take place afterwards. A report coming from one of the directors at the University of the West Indies is saying that it is possible that there will be some property damage and that this could go on for days, weeks, or even months. And so, Jesus beam, this is just really, really sad. And me just boy, like I'm telling you, like you see, Mother Nature, when Mother Nature ready for just like take charge, there's nothing you can do. Like, all of us as humans, we have to humble ourselves to Mother Nature. And the only ray of sunshine in a bit of this is how many Caribbean islands rallied around St. Vincent and actually offered up space in their homes to accommodate many of the residents who had to be evacuated. And so that is very, very commendable. And at them look stuff here more of a more off, in the Caribbean, because at the end of the day we might cuss and argue on social media, but we really should be each brother's keeper. We should really.
I've spoken to one of the cruise lines leadership this morning, and I must tell you, the way in which people in St. Vincent and the Grenadines and in ordinary people and in Grenada and in Dominica, St. Lucia and Antigua have responded to put people in their homes, strangers, bring tears to my eyes. I love this Caribbean.
Support each other in times of crisis, and to just like show what it means to be a good neighbor. I'm going to show you some further images of that many of the residents took and posted on their social media, so at least you can get a greater sense of what things looked like.
Alright, let me roll. I have to move from here. Alright, let me go.
This is what happened. This is what happening right now. As you can see on the ground, it's ashes, you know. Ashes falling. Yes, please. Yes. We have it locked already. We have it already. Don't worry.
This is how it look. Base stone. And stone them so became big, it can't even go out in them. How they big. What? The life, eh? The life. What is? Whole place. Me doubt you could see who drive go down.
I am home right now. And stone falling like rain, as you can hear. Right? I'm gonna show you. Stone falling on the ground like it's rain right now. Stone falling on the ground. Yeah, and it's very, watch, you could see up there. It's going like thunder right now. Thunder. Right now.
Four 529-2206.
Blow again. It's blowing like when stone come out of big truck. It's blowing. I'm hearing it right now. It's blowing, as you can see it. You see the white clouds and you can see the dark clouds over. It's blowing like when stone coming out of big truck. Yeah, it's blowing. You hear it? It's blowing like when stone coming out of big truck and when thunder rolling.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Man, it doesn't show signs of stopping, and I brought me some corn for papa.
So Burritos, I'd love to hear, like, how did you hear about this? What do you make of this? Like, do you have any family or loved one who lives in St. Vincent and the Grenadines? If you actually live there, let me know what your experience is like in the comment section. I'd really love to know. And I'm just hoping that everybody over there is staying safe and protecting their valuables as best as they can. Cause yeah, this really has to be a very stressful time. So I hope that you enjoyed this bit of news, Burritos. You know the usual, to like and to leave a comment, to subscribe if you haven't done so as well. Take care until next time when I'll be talking about another trending topic. Countdown quickie. Bye bye.